Gemmology Center of Moscow University organizes field expeditions to Urals gemstones, mines and mineral locations for more than 20 years. Nowadays, they attracted more people due to increasing interest of gemmologists towards gem deposits and geology. Ural Mountains are known for many natural resources. Colored stones mining is done there since 18th century. In 19th century, Urals malachite was valued as a precious gemstone, and in the beginning of 20th century, emerald mines were the major source of emeralds. Local names as Murzinka, Lipovka, Ilmeny Mountains are known by many mineral collectors. There is no surprise that Urals attract gem and mineral lovers. People living in Urals developed local culture originated from gemstones prospecting, cutting, and jewelry making. Local people appreciate gemstones, so mineral collecting is a common hobby in the Urals. Pavel Bajo was an author of Malachite Cascade, Keeper of Cooper Mountain, and other fairy tales stylized as folklore of 19th century gold and gemstones prospectors. There are memorial sites for gold prospectors and miners of the region. Ural Emerald Mines is the first gem deposit in our program. Since its discovery in 1831, this deposit has long history. Now emerald, beryl, and alexandrite are mined deeply underground.
Bruce is searching. Oh, really? Nice.
During our visit, we have an opportunity to see emerald-bearing rocks and understanding geological processes that led to emerald formation. Beryllium was taken from granite rocks, while chromium was originated from ultramafic rocks.
Аллилуйя!
Вот внутри, кстати, флюорит виден фиолетовый. Видите? Сейчас мы. Вот. Все, берил и флюорит.
Specific metamorphic processes are required to combine these two elements in one emerald crystal. That is why emerald deposits are so rare. Visiting emerald extracting factory, one can see recovered gemstones, many sorts of emeralds including unique crystals. Huge alexandrite piece is quite rare to see, maybe one piece in several years. This gemstone shows strong color change effect, green in natural daylight and red under artificial light of a halogen lamp. Further on, we move to southern Ural, where the Korkodinskoye Demantoid deposit is located. The most precious garnet that could be compared only to the diamonds as far as for the fireplace is concerned was first discovered in Ural in 19th century. Today, the quality of Ural Demantoid is the best in the world. The Demantoid output from all placers isn't significant, and now this gemstone is mined from primary mines associated with Korkodinsky Massif. The deposit's owners are always pleased to meet our groups, and we enjoy their hospitality to study the development of garnet in the vales surrounded with serpentine, or to pick up the collection of accompanying minerals and to explore the ore processing plant.
Жилка небольшая у нас проходит. Направление ее.
Inclusions of bisalite are very characteristics of Ural demantoids and are well known to all the gemmologists in the world. These inclusions make the demantoid even more desirable. Lipovka. Mining of iron, copper, and nickel ores in Ural regions was wide-scaled, and still one can meet the natural landscapes modified by man till misrecognition. We used to call it technogenic. They have their own beauty. And today nature is completing the man-made landscape. The old quarries with clean lakes, brightly colored mineral rocks laying at the quarry's surfaces and overgrown with forests, clear blue sky, all these makes up the feeling of another reality. Lipovka is a nickel deposit with a lot of gemstones mined from the pegmatites of this region. Each mineralogy museum in the world caught Lipovka rare tourmalines in its mineral collection. Nowadays, the quarries are flooded and it's almost impossible to find the tourmaline specimens, but one can feel the positive energetic impact of these unusual landscapes. The massives of alkaline rocks. Elmansky and Patanin Mountains are well known for its mineral diversity. Visiting these deposits enables the understanding how the stones are formed in nature. Route to Patanin Mountains is a unique opportunity to find the corundum, zircon, specimen of sunstone and some exotic lapidary minerals. Also, the quarries with copper mineralization located in Nizhny Tagil were being extracted since 18th century, when the famous Russian family of industrials and manufacturers, the Demidovs, launched the ore mining here. Yekaterinburg and the nearby regions are famous for extensive stone mineral and rocks collections, primarily of local origin. As an educational center, the MSU Gem Center considers visiting the Ural museums to be of high educational importance. The private collections are also very interesting. Understanding of natural beauty, individuality, and rareness of collections samples do not always reflect its market value. Sometimes, the cell-found citrine or amethyst is taken as a gemstone, even more expensive than diamond is, as the find is followed with strong emotions, and emotions are priceless. Expeditions are a good team-building format because people meet others who have same passion. As one Russian writer mentioned, sometimes one or two of gifted mineral specimens can start gemstone rush inside of a person. Finding specimens by yourself is very emotional. Everyone can recall his or her childhood when we all were treasure hunters.
Ну круто же, круто! Вот такая красота!
Мне нравятся красоты Урала. Мощь, энергия, экология, люди. Такие добрые, открытые. Таких нет нигде.
As a result, we all have bright impressions. Let us acknowledge all organizers and participants of Urals trip. See you in Urals in the future.